Right guys, so what I'm about to show you now is how to turn your inspection light off for if it's due a service. I do all my servicing myself, so I don't really need it on. But if you're wondering what it is, as you can see, that's inspection. Inspection like that is just your it's your service. Inspection 2 means you've got a bulb out somewhere on the Corsa D. So now what I'm going to do is show you how to get rid of that instead of paying all the fees that Vauxhall and that charge just to get rid of it. Alright guys, so I'm trying to show you this the best I can. Make sure your key is in the engine but not in anything. So don't turn the ignition on or anything like that. Press your brake fully down. Press your service light once and then again. And then keep it holding down until you see inspection this. And then you turn it into the ignition. So all your lights come on. So one bit from starting your engine. Keep the brake pressed down and keep the button pressed down for about 15-20 seconds until the inspection light should go with 4 lines, or like that for 19,000 on mine. That then resets it again. So you can do it. So you can turn the ignition off and then you can turn it back on, and there we go, all done, all finished. It is literally as simple as that. So turn the ignition on as well just to check it. Again, light is gone. So recap: brake pedal down, push the button once, push it in again, keep hold of it the second time, turn the key into the second slot just before you turn the engine on. Once you've done that, your inspection light will flash. Make sure you keep hold of the button until you see the inspection light either stop or 4 lines come across, and then once that's done, turn the ignition off, put the key back in and turn the engine on. And then as you can see there, I'll show you again, inspection light's gone. And this is on a 2014 Corsa VXR. It is the Corsa D as well, and this works for the majority of these models. So yeah, enjoy.